but I'm here. And I am doing a what's in my purse video, what's in my bag, however you want to call it. But today I'm still carrying my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which is truly never full. Like, I usually have this thing packed to the top. So I'm gonna do a realistic what's in my purse because I didn't like organize it, none of that. It's just a bunch of items in my bag. So here we go. The bag that I'm currently carrying is still my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I got this purse for my birthday last year, and like I said in the intro, I didn't organize, I didn't clean it out, none of that. So you're getting a raw, true what's in my bag, and let's get right in. So, sorry about that. The first thing that I pull out is this little pouch. This is just like my that time of the month pouch, you know. It has like feminine products. I got a lotion in here, some panty liners, tampons, stuff like that. Like, we don't have to get into it, but this is my that time of the month item pouch. So then the next thing that I have is another pouch, another bag. Looks like this. I used to keep my lotion and my body spray in here, but recently, like last month in February, I got sick. So in this pouch, I just have a bunch of cold and flu medicine. So I have like some Hot Hands, Claritin, some Vicks Vapor Rub. Like, y'all, Vicks Vapor Rub is the cure-all when you're sick. Like, if you're ever sick and you need it to clear up really quickly, get you some of these Vicks Vapor Rub. I don't know if they're focused, but it's like a little small tube, and you put this on your chest, it'll open you right up. I mean, just aspirin, NyQuil, Dayquil, that type of stuff is what's in this bag. I'm gonna put that back. I have a random hair headband that you use to pull your hair back. I probably had this in there since when I went to Chicago last month. So this is still in my purse. I got some mail. I have some stickers from my planner. Now, my planner isn't in here, and honestly, I think I left my planner at work. Gooch. My dog's scratching. I think I left my planner at work because I always have my planner with me. I think I left it in my drawer at work. But these are just stickers. I got these at Michael's. They was $7.99. No, Hobby Lobby, not Michael's. And they just look like this. So then I have a book I'm reading, and I don't read it as much as I should, but my cousin got me this book. It's the Self-Care Prescription. And this is just a book that is going to tell you like some solutions to managing your stress, reducing anxiety, and increasing your well-being. It kind of tells you, like, each chapter has like a category or a part of your life where you may need to apply this. Like, the purple is friends, family, and fun. The green is like intellectual. You got vocational, you got spiritual, self-care, and emotional. Like, so it's just all of these different areas of your life where you may need to apply self-care, and it's a guide on helping you implement it. So more stickers for my planner. I have a small planner. Someone that worked with me gave us these, so I just kept it and I use it. I got like 3-4 planners, so you know, whatever. What's this? Oh, this is my receipt from Kroger. I did my my pickup. That's the receipt. And then I also have these Kroger coupons. Like, Kroger is one of my favorite grocery stores to shop at, so I get the customer coupons, which are really good actually. Sometimes they give you free items, like a free Simply Lemonade, and I like that they personalize it to what you actually buy. So the next item that I have is a brush. It's like a Conair brush, just a paddle brush for your hair. Simple. I have a glasses case. These are my glasses that I got offline, and I'm pretty sure the glasses aren't in there. Nope. An empty glasses case, because that's just how my life be set up. Like, I don't be putting my glasses back in the case like I should. Like, the glasses are probably in my car somewhere. Alright, so the next thing are these organic cotton wipes. These are just like fragrance-free wipes for you to use in the bathroom. And they're by the L brand from Target. It's an organic feminine care line. So first of all, y'all, let me just say this is off topic, but I've been trying organic feminine care products and I really have been liking them. So if you have not switched over to organic, it's worth a try. It's a lot different than what you're used to, because like the pads and tampons that we are used to using have like chemicals in it, but this is a good alternative. So I'm gonna pull these next few items out like just all together because they basically the same thing. So these are the next things that I have in my purse. I have a deodorant, I have a little small baby lotion, and a little small hand, like Jergens hand lotion. These are all self-explanatory. I use these time to time. I like to have stuff in my purse to be prepared just for any time. You don't want to be walking around musty. So, you know, if you ever get a little sweaty at work, pop this out. Your girl's good to go. So the next thing in here is this little body spray. This is 1,000 Wishes body spray from Bath and Body Works. It smells really good. It came in that pouch, the floral pouch that you guys saw. The lotion and a shower gel came in there, and I got this for my birthday. I keep this in my purse just in case I ever need to spray myself down. You know, like in public, or spray an area if it smells. Just and we're good to go. Alright, so next big thing is my wallet, y'all. Just a wallet. I think this is the same wallet I probably had in my last What's in My Bag, because I've had it for a minute. But this is the wallet that I use. It's a Kate Spade purple, like a light lavender purple wallet. It works really good. It has good compartments in it. Fit all the cards and all the paper, all the change I need. So this is my wallet. I have that in there. So then I have my work badge. This is my work badge. I have that in there. This is what I need to get in the building at work. And I got pink, of course, because, you know, that's how I get down. So yeah, y'all, we're getting down to the end of my purse. I have this little hand sanitizer, little small Germex. Y'all, right now we're in a worldwide pandemic, and the people are buying all of the Germex, all of the hand sanitizers, all of the Lysol, bleach, tissue. Like, I don't get the tissue. I just had to go to the store to try to hunt down some tissue today because people are buying all of the tissue. Like, I had to buy some tissue that was created for like RVs and boats and stuff like that, because people have bought all of the tissue. No tissue is at any stores around my house. So we're in a pandemic and people are losing their shit, obviously. But anyways, I still have a little bit of Germex left. So I got some Germex in my purse. And then the last few things is like really trash, kind of trashy based things like this. So I got some stuff down there. I have my Fitbit charger, a random piece of a ribbon, my Fitbit charger, a MAC lip liner. This is cork. So I have a MAC cork lip liner in my purse. That's cool. And I have my Aleve. This is always going to be in my purse. Like, if you know me, if you watched my other two What's in My Bag videos, this is consistent. Aleve is consistent. Your girl can't survive without Aleve. If it's that time of month, I'm cramping, this is like my go-to every time. The other thing that I have in here is this Kapari lip glossy. It's just a little lip gloss by Kapari, and this is in the color Birthday Suit. So it's like the nude one. Lastly, I have a ring in here. It's just like a little rainbow ring. Sadly, it's too big for me. I still wear it sometimes, but it's too big. But it's really beautiful. It's like a little rainbow. Different color ring. And the last few little things are some loose change. I have a little iPhone cube in there. Some old straw paper. I have a random Band-Aid. And then I have like the top to the body spray that I had. And the other piece to my badge. What else? I have a big giant sucker that I have yet to eat. It's just been sitting in my purse. And that's it for the inside. Like, it's completely empty. That is it. The last thing that we have is just this pouch on the side, and inside of there I have a few things. So I have an old keychain piece. It's like a Jordan, what is this? I forget. I think this is an 8. I think it's a Jordan 8. I got MAC lipstick in Stone, MAC lipstick in Rebellion. I got a Stila lipstick in Rubino, a Stila, and I got a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in here. And also I have an Appeal gel liner that's kind of broken and used up. So I had these lip products all in there, and then I also have a clip, like a clip for your hair. And that's it. It's empty. Just some empty. It's like a piece of paper down in there, but that's it. Alright, y'all, so that's everything that I have in my bag. I do have one bonus item for you though. I have this purse organizer that I got from Amazon. It looks like this. It's like a really sturdy felt tip purse organizer, and I can link it below. It has plenty of pockets. It has a detachable inside, like this can come out, and it could be, you know, just a big hole like that. I count 11 pockets on this thing, so you can use this to put inside your purse to give it some structure, give it some organizational space, because as we all know, Neverfulls are just one big old open hole like that. So this is a purse organizer, and I got the color red to match my interior. And you can set it inside of your purse like this, and it'll hold it like that. The only reason why this wasn't in my purse currently is because I do like the space it gives me, but I do not like the shape it gives my bag. Sometimes I want to carry my bag on my shoulder, and it's like, well, right now, because there's nothing in it, it'll collapse. But it kind of holds your purse at like a bulkier state, so I don't like that. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. That's my what's in my bag featuring my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I do have the MM in the Damier bean print, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and leave me a comment down below, and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. I have somebody I want y'all to see. Oh, shoot, he heavy. And this is my pup, Gooch. Say hey. This is my dog, Gooch. He's getting big. He's a big baby now. Gooch, Gooch. No lickies.